guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. You guys, the moment that we've all been waiting for. What in the world? And then he's coughing. He's coughing because he's shouting and screaming. I'm gonna put my head rag around my my head around this. But the moment we all been waiting for. I got a reusable plastic shower cap, so I can wash that and reuse it. Because those little thin bags just isn't the bee's knees anymore. But you guys, hopefully, y'all, I feel like I've been looking so blurry, and hopefully I haven't, but y'all, please work with me. My plant looks crooked, but it's okay. So this is my hair. Maybe I shouldn't have this on. No, I need to have this on because this is my measuring shirt. And you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how long my hair has grown, and I think the last date that I wrote on there was like maybe the end of October or maybe the beginning of November. So you guys are gonna see how long my hair has grown. But I got my hair in these two twists. This is how I deep condition my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. So a quick hair update physically. When I touch my hair, I notice that my hair, how can I explain it? It doesn't, so my hair don't feel like straw anymore, but I feel like my hair strands themselves feel so, man, y'all, I don't know how to really explain like the feeling of my hair, but my hair don't feel like straw, and I know that that means that it's getting back more healthier, and it's not like still in its stage of freaking out, because my hair went through a hardcore period of freaking out. One thing that I am noticing, I have a lot of flyaways with within like this area, like this. I don't even know if you can see them. You probably can't see them because I don't feel like the camera is picking it up, but just to show you guys certain parts of my hair. So all of this, and hopefully you can see it from the whiteness of it, but all of this was bald, and then hopefully I can try to insert pictures, but all of this was bald from postpartum shedding. And if you guys can see, I've gotten all of my edges back. If you guys have been following me and tracking me, all of this hair in front of my ear was gone. And you can see, let me try to move this. You can see how short these pieces of hair is right here. And that's because all of this was bald. Like, all of this was gone, girl. And I'm gonna literally show you pictures. I'm gonna make sure that I get the pictures and insert the pictures. But this goes, it's almost touching the top of my boob, and here's my collarbone right here. And that's how much my hair has grown back, and all of that came out from postpartum shedding. When I had tried to do my mini braids again, my hair literally, I couldn't grab any hair right here because it was all gone. And then on Mother's Day, I believe it was the left side of my hair, I had burnt out a couple of braids because I was trying to grill, and I put too much lighter fluid in the grill, and the grill blew up in my face. And it was my first Mother's Day that the grill literally blew up in my face, and it really freaked me out. But it melted like 15 of my mini twists that I had in my hair at the time. It melted them together, so I had to like kind of cut some of my mini braids out of my hair. Not cut them out, but like some of the pieces I had to cut to get the braid down. So I didn't like cut the whole mini braid off. But all of this were either kind of damaged from when the grill literally like it cinched my hair. Like my hair turned white and it pretty much fell off. This was bald from me having postpartum. So this was bald from me having postpartum. Like I didn't have any hair in the back or like any hair on the side right here. So if you guys can see how short these pieces of hair is, I literally had no hair right here. And I'm gonna try to insert a photo. I am gonna insert a photo, but my hair actually, here's my armpit right here, and my hair comes past armpit length in the back now with my hair. But if I hold my hair out this way, you guys can literally see the new growth and how my hair is filling back in. And I know some of you guys are probably like, well, why don't you just cut it so that it's all even? For me, I don't want to cut my hair because it's growing back in right now, and then because there's so many different layers to my hair, because that's the shortest piece, I don't want to cut my hair off and the good like 70% of my hair is one length for me to cut it where the shorter pieces are meeting at. It's like I don't want to do that. But I would have to say the flyaways are pretty, I don't know if I should call them flyaways, because flyaways happen from either breakage, well, I guess it could be a flyaway, or new growth. It's just the hairs that's flying away. And if you guys can see how detangled my hair is, like, y'all, oh my goodness, it is feeling the best. Okay, so this part of my hair, I know that I've talked about with postpartum hair growth coming in. So if you guys can see all of this that's falling, all of this once again was bald, and it's coming past armpit length. And I had no hair back here, and I actually want to show y'all. Let me see if I can get closer. Remember the piece of hair that I told y'all is like just a completely different texture, which is like the nape of my head? Y'all, I'm sorry if y'all can hear my husband washing dishes. Then I'm not sorry, because he is he's getting the thug dizzle done. But I'm doing this to show you guys. I just showed y'all in a video, maybe I don't know when this video is going to come out. Once again, it is July 30th, 2022. But I just uploaded a video and showing you guys this part of my hair that like just coils up and springs back. But this is how long that section is now. And y'all seen how short it was in that last video. So my hair is really filling back in. It is really growing. It's just taking time. 45% of my hair fell out in like November 3rd, 2021, and it is now July 30th, 2022. And I'm gonna show you guys the length of my hair in the back. And I'm actually gonna interrupt my husband and tell him to come in here to help me measure. And I have a part going down the back of my head, so I'm trying to just comb all of my hair now to the back, and then make sure that it's really detangled, so then I can try to get as good of a length check for you guys. And y'all, because I haven't been feeling like doing shower videos, it's like I don't know what the back of my hair really looks like, because I haven't did a shower video in so long. I feel like the density of my hair is trying to come back, but I feel like the density is not the same as it used to be. My density is not trying to come back. It is coming back in, but it's not the same consistency as it was before I had COVID. Like, I can still feel like in the middle of my head, my hair feels still pretty thin. Like in the crown top part of my head, it still feels thin, but I feel like it is getting thicker. Like, if that makes sense. My hair is shrinking. That's why I was telling you, like, hurry up, because I did it. I don't think I did it on wet hair last time either.
Okay. So doing it that way, you are, that's 15. You're like 15 and a half. So you're like an inch longer than you were on November 2nd at 10 a.m.
Okay. Okay, guys. So I got the measurement. I think I'm going to have to take off my shirt so I can see. But last time I measured my hair myself. But I did cut my hair when I blow dried it. I can't remember when I blow dried it, but when I made that split ender video, I did cut my hair then, and then I also braided my hair up, and then I trimmed about a ½ an inch off of the ends of my hair. But I'm gonna put on my black shirt because I'm done with showing you guys that, and I'm just gonna rinse out my hair and then just put my hair up into 2 big old braids. Let me see, guys. Oh, my hair was like literally all over this dang shirt. I might have to make a new one. So the last time on this shirt, it says November 2nd at 9 a.m. and it looked like this is the mark right here. So it's at 15, and then this is the mark right here that my husband just made. So it looks like it grew about an inch from November 15th. No, November 2nd. It looked like it grew about an inch because this is how much space I have between the 2 lines. And like I said, today is July 28th, and that's just where the marking is. Now, I don't know if I grabbed the same piece of hair, because you guys know when I made this shirt, I had my they wasn't mini braids, but they were bigger braids, but I still had a string on one group of hair, and I pulled that one string that I tested, and then when I took out my hair, I still grabbed that one string of hair and pulled it. So because obviously my hair is out right now, I'm not sure if I grabbed the same little section of hair, but that's just the hair that I could pull, and it says that it's grown an inch from November to now. So that's November, December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July. So it's saying that it only grew an inch. You guys, I'm not gonna argue with it. My hair feels a little longer than it growing an inch, but like I said, I did cut some of it off. But that is just a real result, and a real I mean, as much as I can accurately measure, that's the measurement, because I didn't save that one string of hair. So within 8 months, that's what I got. So yeah, you guys, that is a hair growth update. You guys seen the temples of my hair, the nape of my hair, how much is grown back in, and then I tried to grab whatever that I was measuring with this shirt. I tried to grab that and measure it for you. So that's what my hair is looking like. I'm not too upset about the flyaways and stuff, like I said, because I know that my hair is growing back in. But I really feel like, since I haven't been doing my mini braids, my hair has still been growing, but I feel like I might need to start back doing my chunky big twist, because my hair feel like is in that state now where I need to start twisting it and cutting off like some of the stragglier ends and making all of my hair back one length, or yeah, back one length. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and leave comments down below, and thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.